You're spending $5 a day on cold brew when you can make a whole week's supply for under $2 at home. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Grab a mason jar or any container. Use a 1:4 ratio, 1 part coarse ground coffee to 4 parts cold water. Pour the coffee in first. Step 2. Slowly pour cold water over the grounds until the jar is full. Stir it once to make sure all the coffee is wet and saturated. Step 3. Seal the jar with a lid and place it in your fridge. Let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. The longer it steeps, the stronger it gets. Step 4. After steeping, strain the coffee through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean jar. Dilute with water or milk to taste, add ice, and drink. Pro tip: don't use hot water. It creates a bitter taste. Cold water extraction is the whole point. Store your concentrate in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. What's your favorite ratio? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.